How we doing, guys? MK Fix-It Scoots here. Just here with another example of how easy these LEDs are to fit. This time I'm doing it outside of the scoot, so it's a little bit easier to show you. So this is your basic setup. You'll have a battery powering your controller, and then you'll have a dashboard cable alongside your motor cable, and then your BMS as well, if you're using one, and then obviously your phasers to your motor. What we're doing though, we're just taking your dashboard cable out. So you'll just pop that out, nice and easy. And then what we'll do is we'll open our kit here. This is obviously the main device you'll be needing. It's got 3 points. You've got a point there for your LEDs, a point there for your controller, and then a point there going back to your dashboard. So this is how it will come out of the bag. If you get confused, the closest point for the controller is the one with the wires tapped there. So we'll just take that clip side as it was before, plug it in, nice and easy. What we'll then do is we'll connect the LED to the strip. On here you've got two little dots, two little arrows. You want to make sure they're connected on the same side. So we'll just have a little nose here. So just like that, like so. But before you do this, what you want to do in the kit here, you give you two little heat shrinks. One's bigger than the other in terms of width. Just to see the difference there. Basically, we want to use the bigger one for the LEDs. So what we'll do is we'll pop that in there, slip it over, then join our cable. Make sure that's right. Nope, wrong way around. Lovely. So then we'll slip that over, and what we'll do is we'll burn that with a lighter, provide some heat to shrink that, make sure it's nice and tight, prevent it from ever coming off. This side, what we'll do is we'll go back to the dashboard. So if you're unsure what the dashboard is, I'm referring to the handlebars, the power, and inside here, the circuit board. Basically, that comes off of a connector there, straight down, and it's the original cable that we took out at the start of the video. So on this side of the cable, you're going to see a little noggin where this would clip into. Should be able only to fit this one way. I'll be surprised if you manage to fit it another way, but we'll see. Again though, it's beneficial to do this the first time around so that you don't try and damage or break anything, is to use this other bit of heat shrink. And what we'll do is we'll work it over this side, and same thing, clip that into there. And then for the same purpose, we'll add that there as protection to try and stop it from ever coming apart. But I'm really sure it wouldn't come off anyway, but it's just added security for you. So let's give this a blast anyway. So let's connect that back up. We won't heat shrink it because we will use this on a scooter, but obviously we'll only heat shrink it when it's fitted. So if we go back and connect the LED. Really doesn't matter if you get that wrong by turning it, just if it doesn't work, obviously turn it the other way and you'll be fine. So quite simply, turn the scooter on, and there you go. May seem long and winded the way I've explained it, but in terms it's just plug that, plug that, plug that, and off you go. So enjoy.